in Zambia's Luangwa Valley. Two neighboring lion prides rule. The powerful MKs and the all-female Hollywoods. But the invasion of 4 young males throws everything into chaos.
I mean, they're really going for it. They're running.
The males bring violence and destruction.
She's this beautiful female, and she's been really, really injured.
Wildlife camera team Nathan Pilcher and Sam Davis film day.
Almost vibrates through your body.
And night. Across one extraordinary season. Following every triumph.
She's going.
And every tragedy.
It's terrible watching a tiny cub suffer like this.
Can these prides survive the greatest challenge of their lives?